So I went online and found some question for first-time YouTuber like myself. I thought for my first video, I'll make a Q&A. So let's go ahead and start this Q&A. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below while watching this video. First question, what is your name and the name of your channel? My name is Maria and the name of my channel is Ria's Design. What does the name of your channel mean? Well, it's basically the last part of my name in design word. So Ria, Maria, Ria Design. Where are you from? I'm originally from Haiti. Sakapet was my Haitian. Hi guys. But now I currently live in New Jersey. Why did you start a YouTube channel? Oh my gosh. I think this is like the question of the century. Why did I start a YouTube channel? So it's like I have all these ideas that I want to project, but I don't want to be on camera. And it's like I come to realize that like nobody's going to project my ideas better than me, and so here I am on YouTube. I never thought I'll be on YouTube. I never thought I'll be in front of a camera. I'm just like, I love being behind the scenes, so this is super new to me. It's gonna take a while for me to get used to this and for me to even realize there's a camera here. So bear with me. I'm going to try to deliver. Okay. What will your channel be about? So my channel going to be about everything interior design, everything home decor, everything home related, lifestyle. So I'm actually in school to become an interior designer, and sometimes when I search on YouTube, I feel like I only see people that already made it, already been in this game for years, in which a lot of them I think are amazing, like amazing. Like this is where I want to be one day. But it's so hard. I feel like when it comes to like makeup and fashion, like there's a lot of YouTubers out there like that's teaching us how to do makeup and that's learning how to do makeup. But as for when it comes to home decor and design, I don't see so much of us that's trying to make it in the design world out there. And so I thought I'll create a YouTube channel and start on the journey with us. Like me and you. You gonna teach me, I'm gonna teach you. We're gonna learn from each other, okay? Or how it's gonna look. Okay. Next question. Top 3 favorite YouTubers. Oh my, only 3? That's it? The whole YouTube is my favorite. But if I have to take top 3, I would say Karen Bond. Oh my gosh. Like for me, in my head, she is what I want to be. Like she is amazing. She's a designer. She runs a business. I love the fact she runs a small business, which is what I want to do. I don't want to do like a corporate business or none of that. I want to have a small team. I still want to be involved in the design process. So like to me, she is like everything. Like when I think about what I want to be and where I want to be long term, she is it for me. Oh, Another one is Rebecca Robson. Rebecca Robson. Yes. She is amazing. Like, she makes everything look phenomenal. Like, when I say, like, for me, looking at her, like, she project the element and principle of design. Like, I'm just speechless. Like, or she understands line, shape, colors. Like, and that's what I want my designs to look like one day. Like, that's what my goal is. So yes. And then third person is actually a fashion blogger. Her name is Hilo Lux. I found her this year, and actually she is a huge part of why I want to start this YouTube channel. Like, to me, she reminds me so much of myself in a way, and every time I watch one of her videos, I'm like, if she can do it, I can do it. She just so, like, I don't know her, never met her, but if you're watching, hi. She is so amazing. Like, I don't know, like, she just, like, I don't know her personally, but from watching her on YouTube and how she creates her content and how she engage with her audience, I really appreciate her approach. If you could collab with anyone right now, who would it be? Rebecca Robson. I love her. Like, yes, her. 3 things we should know about you. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm very picky about food. Like, like, it's highly annoying. Like, to the fact sometimes I'm like, girl, just eat something. Like, don't starve, just eat something. So I'm very picky about stuff. What else? I can't sleep with no lights on. Everything, like, it has to be pitch quiet, dark, like nothing at all. And then third thing is I like to be comfortable. Like, comfort is everything for me. Like, I like to be comfortable. Like, comfortable, always comfortable. Let's see. What do you think the hardest thing will be about becoming a YouTuber? I mean, this question is like kind of hard because I don't think like I'll be a YouTuber, if that makes sense. I just feel like I'm just a regular person that just want to share my passion and to show you guys and teach you guys what I know so far. And I know you guys gonna be teaching me a lot also. So I think for me, I will call it more a community. But as for becoming a YouTuber, I don't really know the definition of that. So I guess I'll figure it out and find out, right? Well, if you know the answer to that question, let me know. I'm not really sure. Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time? I don't know. Honestly, I might make this video and never put it out, to tell you the truth. Like, I don't know. Like, I really don't know what tomorrow's gonna hold. I just feel like, hey, you know what? I've been talking about this YouTube thing and let's record a video, and here we are. So I personally don't know. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll watch this video again a year from now and see where I am. Let's see. Do you have any tips or advice for others who are just starting a YouTube channel? If you out there, you have any tips or advice, send them this way, please. I need all of them. I need all of them. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. I really don't know what I'm doing. So all I know is I love interior design. I love home decor. And I'm truly passionate. This is one of my passions. And I just want to share it with you. That's all I know for now. I mean, right? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Like, let me know. Give me all the tips, all the advice I need to know for you, YouTube. Like, let me know. And also, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see from me. Let me know. This is brand new to me, so let me know what you guys think. And then we start building this little family together.